2024 Porsche Panamera Turbo Rumors, Review, Price. Porsche Panamera Turbo belongs to the type of sports sedan car with 4 seats inside. Available in 18 color options, with a length of 5,015 mm, a width of 2,114 mm, and a height of 1,417 mm. The closest competitors of the Porsche Panamera Turbo 2024 are the A7 3.0 LT FSI Quattro Sportback, the 7 Series Sedan 740 Li Opulence, the Ghibli V6, and the M3 Sedan M3 Competition. New Porsche Panamera Turbo 2024, what's new? Porsche issued the Panamera type as a sports sedan car with the best 4 seats in its class. As the name implies, the 2024 Panamera Turbo relies on engine performance at speeds that can spur adrenaline for the rider, and also provide the best comfort. So you can feel the sensation of driving comfortably, safely, and give the impression of luxury when using it. Porsche Panamera Turbo 2024 Exterior. If you look at the 2024 Porsche Panamera Turbo tires, Porsche provides 19-inch alloy wheels with a front tire size of 255/45 R19, and the rear with a radial type. The wheelbase of the new Panamera Turbo is 2,920 mm. You can choose different colors for the exterior of the 2024 Porsche Panamera Turbo model. There are some core colors that are free of charge, such as black, white, and some metallic colors. For other colors that are unique and look more elegant, you can increase the cost. For sports car lovers, you will be quite satisfied with the body appearance of the 2024 Porsche Panamera Turbo, redesigned because it reflects the real sports car but has 4 seats. 2024 Porsche Panamera Turbo Interior. The trunk capacity of the new interior of Porsche Panamera Turbo 2024 is no different from the standard Panamera, which has a volume of 445 liters. You can be given the freedom to adjust the position of the steering wheel, and the steering column as you wish. 2024 Porsche Panamera Turbo interior design gives the impression of luxury and elegance. You can feel the comfort and luxurious interior equipped with the latest technology. In the cabin, you will find a center console that merges from the front of the dashboard to the rear bench, separating the 2 seats for occupancy. The touchscreen inside the cabin works more sensitively and better. The seats provided by Porsche for the 2024 Panamera Turbo interior are made comfortable, because you can adjust them electrically. The car door can be closed even if you have not closed the door completely. This can happen with the soft closed door option, so the door on the new interior of Panamera Turbo 2024 is also well considered. 2024 Panamera Turbo Engine. Porsche provides an 8-speed automatic transmission on the 2024 Panamera Turbo PDK, and is powered by a 4,806 cubic centimeters 4.0L twin-turbo V8 petrol engine with an 8-cylinder inline, 4-valve, DOHC configuration. The engine of the 2024 Porsche Panamera Turbo PDK 4,806 cubic centimeters can provide 520 HP of power with a torque of 700 Nm. In accordance with its type, namely turbo, this new Panamera 2024 can provide acceleration speeds of up to 4.1 seconds with a maximum speed of 305 km/h. In addition to the powerful engine, you will also get the best brake quality provided by Porsche for the 2024 Panamera Turbo refreshed. Powerful brakes and best-in-class steering response and accuracy are provided by Porsche for you, whether you're driving straight or cornering. This can be an additional point for Porsche in the eyes of the public. New features of Porsche Panamera Turbo 2024. When driving a 2024 Porsche Panamera Turbo model, you will be accompanied by a multi-link rear suspension with a double wishbone front suspension. As a car with a high class, Porsche certainly provides the best navigation system for all types of cars, especially the 2024 Panamera Turbo model. For the passengers, especially in the back seat, you can also feel the comfort. Because the all-new Panamera GTS 2024 provides supporting features for entertainment in every seat. You can adjust the heating temperature and can be adjusted electrically. In order for the rider and passengers to be more comfortable driving the Panamera Turbo, this type of Porsche has been equipped with an adaptive air suspension with dampers that can also be adjusted electrically. It combines to provide a luxurious driving experience and sensation with full comfort. Through the suspension, you will feel more comfortable during the trip because you will not feel the effects of damaged road conditions, full of rocks, or holes. The touch screen is not only on the front, the touch screen is also on the back of the front seat. So that you who sit in the back can access a number of entertainment features and functions. One of the functions that you can set is the climate control found in the back row, connecting with the console located in the center. You will also get an armrest in which there are 2 folding tables for each passenger in the back. There are additional features that you can get, but at an additional cost. There is also an assistance package for night vision assist, surround view, Porsche InnoDrive with adaptive cruise control, as well as the premium package that includes more things at a cost more than the assistance package features. 2024 Porsche Panamera Turbo price. You can take home the 2024 Panamera Turbo for the cheapest price of $186,400.